Good morning, my name is Koos de Villiers, owner of Talisman Hire Strand and others. Today we want to talk to you about how to start your day right at the job at hand. We're talking about PPE today, personal protection equipment. Please start, be safe, whatever job you do. Hard hats first, if you work in an environment where you need head protection. Gloves for your hands, glasses for your eyes, you can't replace them. Ear protection, whether it is muffs or earpieces, use that to protect your ears. And then if you do welding, people use the right eye protection from the welding gloves as to the welding helmet. Go to the right professional people to obtain these. Unisafe is one of them. Protect your toes with the right boots that you wear, safety boots. Always try and prevent using loose hanging clothes, which could be caught in any moving equipment. So people, be safe, start your day right, and use the right PPE before you hire a tool from Talisman Hire Strand or any others of our branches. Take care. Have a blessed day. Be safe.